Hello everyone and welcome back to biology. Today we're continuing with our lesson in mollusks. Now, last class I just had you guys look up a couple examples of what mollusks are, and I don't know if you were surprised, but I know I was. Things that I really didn't know were part of being the mollusks family are actually part of it. So, fun fact, mollusks are actually the second largest part of animals that exists. So they are actually invertebrates, and things they all have in common is that they either live on fresh water, the ocean, or on land as well. Some examples of mollusks are crabs, snails, octopus, so on and so forth. Clams, oysters. Remember how I mentioned that some of them form part of our diets? Yeah, I like oysters, I like octopus, I like a good mariscos, so that's why I mentioned it before. Our French people like snails. I don't know if it's just a stereotype or not, but I mean, I've seen pictures. Anyways, mollusks. They actually are all formed of 4 major body parts, okay? Make sure you're ready to take note of this. It's important. So, the 4 major body parts that a mollusk is made out of or consists of is muscular foot. They all have a muscular foot. It's not always in the shape of a foot. It is muscular though. This is so they can move around. They went from point A to point B. Okay? Then we have the head, which is where it has the mouth and some type of sensory organ, like pretty much snails. They have those little antennas on the top of their heads. That's like kind of to sense where they're at and how they see. They don't actually have eyes. Then we have the visceral mass. Now this one I put the definition in. For the last two I put in the definition in because these are less commonly known of and they are important to know. So the visceral mass is actually what contains the reproductive, digestive, excretory organs. Now, we all know what reproductive and digestive organs are. Excretory means how the waste evacuates. So, that is the visceral mass. That is third on the 4 main parts of the mollusks. All mollusks have these. And then we have the mantle. The mantle is folds of skin that protects the visceral mass. So pretty much it's the skin on the outside of a mollusk. Okay? Now, I want you guys to make sure you guys have a note of that. And for your assignment today is I want you to go ahead and send me a picture of your notes. Also include a drawing of whatever mollusk example you decided to send me last class. Please draw it and identify the 4 body parts of it. Okay? Identify the head. Just draw a line and tell me what the head is. Tell me where the foot is, the muscular foot, what it uses to move from one place to the other, and also the visceral mass and the mantle. Okay, if you need to color code it, I think that would be best for me to identify it as well. If you have any questions on it, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon. Goodbye.